Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. As you are already aware, Deloitte has announced its biggest hiring for 2026 BE, BTech, ME, MTech and MCA batch. Now friends, in this video I am going to tell you when your exam will be conducted, when you will be getting the result, each and every detail. And also many of you are doing mistake. That mistake you have to avoid while registering. That also we will discuss. This video is very important. I request all of you to please do watch the video till the end. Otherwise, if you do any mistake, you will not be getting the written test email. The first thing is, friends, as you are aware, Deloitte has announced the biggest national level assessment, engineering track, your gateway to a future at Deloitte. Okay, and I have already provided you free resume. Okay, so how to make Deloitte resume? Here you could see Deloitte resume template. Okay, so because there should be a photo in your this template. Okay, so that you download and then you edit it. Okay, fine. So that is the Deloitte, because Deloitte is very particular about a resume. But if you have already applied and if you have missed the photo in it, don't worry. It's not like Deloitte will not give you opportunity. Deloitte will still give you opportunity. The photo is, see how to create a great resume. So if you'll go here, Deloitte has clearly told, okay, so these are the format. These are the 6 mandatory things we have to put along with the sample resume photos. Okay, now so get the resume. If you have not still got, download, edit it. Okay, and then you can apply. Second thing is, friends, when the exam will be conducted. So that I will tell you based on the previous data. So let us go and check what was there in the previous data. Also some Deloitte PYQ I will show you. In the next video I will solve the questions. Okay, so here you see Deloitte engineering hiring applicable for degrees of BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, CSIT and secretarial branches. Now also it is same thing. So 17th of January 2024. Okay, so 1 year if you will take, that time they had released the notification out, hiring out. Like now if you'll see, so when is the hiring out? Yesterday. Yesterday was the date. What was the date? So sir, the date was 8th of January 2024. 8th of January 2020. 2026, right? Okay, 8th of January. So basically you have a difference of 9 days. Okay, so you have a difference of 9 days. 17th of January the notification was out. Then national level assessment. Thank you for registering, dear Arnab Mukherjee. You have successfully registered for the national level assessment. This platform will enable you to go a step further in your in the starting an exciting career at Deloitte. Okay, so thank you for registering. So 8th of February, this particular candidate, so this application will be open for many days, right? So from 17th till 8th of Feb. So you have successfully registered for the national level assessment. This platform will enable you to go further in the exciting process. Okay, fine. Now the exam happened on Deloitte 15th, 16th Feb, 13th of Feb, 12th of Feb, and here see NLA big exam update. So exam update was on 8th. Deloitte previous year questions which we have uploaded one, and 12th of Feb the exam was there. So basically friends, from the date of hiring 17th and the exam was on 12th. So 13 plus 10, so almost 20 days you can say. So after 20 days the exam was conducted, right? So see all the things Deloitte 15, 16, and again after 15 days result, interview and result will be announced. So Deloitte is very quick into it, right? So you could see all those things. Okay, see Deloitte basically hires for engineering, undergraduate science and undergraduate commerce and allied courses. Okay, but now you got the idea, right? So 17th of January basically the hiring was out, and 8th of Feb basically this is your admit card. Okay, so this was the admit card, and then the exam was conducted on 12th of Feb. So 17 and 13 and plus 12, so almost 20 to 25 days. Clear? Okay, now so friends, these are the basically their hiring pattern. So there will be aptitude, there will be reasoning, there will be See, all those things will be technical MCQs, English, aptitude, reasoning, technical skills, and MCQs and coding. That will be there for BE BTech, right? Okay, for BSc BCA also it is explained here, and BBA BCom. So next hiring will be for BSc BCA, and that hiring we don't exactly know when it will be happening. Okay, but Deloitte now has started hiring, so it will happen. And then BBA BCom, that's what I wanted to show you. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you here. Okay, fine. Next friends, okay, BBA BCom, and then the classes are already going on. So friends, one thing, see, these are the kind of questions which they will be asking. Okay, so some questions I am just showing you, these are the previous year question. Okay, and here friends, if you go and see Deloitte NLA 2026 crash course, so already the live classes has been started, recorded videos also will be coming. Okay, my class is there on this Saturday, right? So if you get this Deloitte NLA 2026 crash course, trust me, see, you will not regret. What happens, many people will tell, array, we do this for the promotion. See, 700 rupees, you think of 700 rupees, and we are giving you aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, technical MCQs, coding questions. See, there are a lot of things are there. If you'll see the content now, then you will understand that whatever the things are there, we are charging less only. Okay, so if you see the content, English, general aptitude, technical MCQ, if you think it is promotion, you leave. But tomorrow, see, being from 2026 batch now, you have to get a job at the beginning. Otherwise, see, if you don't get the job here now, you will think, it comes to your mind that I am not able to qualify, I am not prepared, I am not fit. So basically you will get demotivated. Okay, and Deloitte exam is not very tough. See, and we have already covered, see, testing and computer science, technical MCQs, DBMS, cloud, networking and cyber security. So whatever will be asked now, we have covered a lot of things. Okay, and in live class, a lot more things will be covered. Why are you worried about that, right? So we will be doing previous year question. See, previous year questions also will be there if you go and see here. So whatever questions, right? So 12 videos are there, technical MCQs, technical coding sheet, NLA 2025 questions, right? So whatever is there, we have done it here, like which is possible, we have already done it, right? Okay, so Deloitte coding, okay, Deloitte coding sheet, okay, so Deloitte technical MCQs PDF. So we have already done whatever is possible. Now, my dear friends, see, I don't want you to lose confidence, and Deloitte is one of the best company. Infosys, Capgemini, Cognizant. No, if you compare, Deloitte is one of the very good company. Okay. Anyway, now, so your exam will be somewhat. So if it is released on 8th, so this month end your exam will be there. You don't have enough time. So please prepare. Don't think about others like, okay, promotional courses. No, you don't take promotional courses. Okay, don't think in that way. 700 rupees, what all we will earn? Live classes, recorded contents are there. It is just for you. You get a job. That's all we want. And resume is very, very important. So please download and get it from here. And while filling the application, each and every detail, please, check 2 times, 3 times if it is possible, and then only you fill the form. Don't do any mistake, because I don't want you to lose any opportunity. See, you are like the family member, you are like brother, you are like sister. So please be careful, be mindful when you are applying it. So there was a video some time back which I had uploaded. It is deleted by YouTube because many of my personal information was visible, step by step registration. So that is the reason I have deleted. I mean, the YouTube only deleted the video. Okay, so please go for this. It has all the information, required information is there. Okay, and yeah, so all those details we will be bringing it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and get this course without any further delay. Take care. Bye bye.